Understanding Level 2 Charging, a comprehensive guide. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of electric vehicles, EVs, specifically focusing on Level 2 charging. This type of charging is crucial for EV owners, and understanding it can make your EV experience smoother and more efficient. Let's unravel the mystery behind Level 2 charging and how it powers up your electric vehicle. Level 2 charging refers to a specific method of charging electric vehicles. It is faster than the standard Level 1 charging that typically occurs with a regular household outlet. Level 2 charging uses a 240-volt power supply, which is the same type of power used for heavy appliances like air conditioners and ovens in your home. This higher voltage translates to quicker charging times, making it a preferred option for many EV owners. To use Level 2 charging, you usually need a special charging station or a charging dock installed at your home or found at public charging stations. These stations are equipped with a specific plug that fits into your EV. When you connect your vehicle to a Level 2 charger, the electricity flows at a faster rate compared to Level 1 charging, significantly reducing the time needed to fully charge your vehicle's battery. 1. Faster charging times. The most notable benefit of Level 2 charging is the speed. It can charge an EV battery much faster than Level 1, meaning less waiting and more driving. 2. Convenience. With the installation of a Level 2 charging station at home, you can charge your vehicle overnight and start each day with a full battery. 3. Increased EV range. Faster charging supports longer trips and reduces the anxiety associated with running out of battery power. 1. Installation. Setting up a Level 2 charging station at home may require professional installation and an upfront investment. 2. Availability. While growing rapidly, public Level 2 charging stations may not be as readily available as Level 1 charging points, especially in rural areas. Level 2 charging is a game-changer in the world of electric vehicles, offering faster, more convenient charging solutions. Whether you're considering an EV purchase or looking to enhance your current EV experience, understanding Level 2 charging is key. We hope this guide illuminates the benefits and considerations of Level 2 charging, powering you towards a smoother, more efficient EV journey. Thank you for watching, and stay charged.